This video we're going to be demonstrating NoChar's new AbsorbAll mat. The mat on the left of your screen is NoChar's new AbsorbAll mat technology, which incorporates polymer between the top and bottom layer. As you can see, the fabric is designed to be absorptive, and then of course on the back is a polymer-based skid-resistant material. Sandwiched in between the top and the bottom layer is NoChar's state-of-the-art polymers. If you wish to see a demonstration of these, you can look at NoChar's video gallery on the website. The mat on the right of your screen is a standard walk or absorbent type mat. These are purchased in catalogs. They can be purchased in automotive departments and in many box stores. Again, it's a piece of fabric with a skid-resistant polymer back adhered to it. The difference is that the standard walk or adsorbent mat has no polymer or nothing to solidify spilled liquids. In this demonstration, what we're going to do is show you the difference between the two. The AbsorbAll mat was designed and developed for the automotive industry, particularly for big rigs. When doing service work, many times oils, glycols, and other products are spilled on the floor. These create slip hazards. It takes a long time to pick up and creates a mess on your plant or your shop floor. The AbsorbAll mat is designed to put underneath to catch any liquids that are spilled that could possibly come out of an engine or a machine and solidify those so once it's picked up it can be disposed of without a mess. In this demonstration we're going to use three types of liquids which are typically found in any type of machine or engine. The first one is windshield washer fluid or a methanol alcohol-based material, and we have 4 ounces in each of the containers above the mats. These mats are cut into 1 foot by 1 foot squares. What we're doing is we're simulating pouring these materials over the mat so that it can quickly absorb in. Now we go to the standard mat, and you can see again we're putting the methanol solution onto the surface. Now let's say, for example, that we are going to spill motor oil. We're doing an oil change, and we're going to simulate that in this video as well. And now he's pouring in 4 ounces of used motor oil. Again, we go over to the mat on the left, on your right, and we're pouring in used motor oil. Again, the same amount for both 1 foot by 1 foot squares. As we did in the first, we're going to simulate the spill occurring on the mat underneath the equipment so that ultimately we can show the difference in absorption between the AbsorbAll mat and the standard walk mat. The NoChar AbsorbAll mat is designed to pick up and solidify 1.5 gallons of any type of liquid over a 4 foot by 4 foot mat. Now we're going to go over to the mat on your right, which is the standard walk mat. Again, the same process. 4 ounces of used motor oil, and we're going to spread it over the surface. And lastly, we're now going to say that we have a fuel spill. And we're going to simulate a fuel. 4 ounces again over the AbsorbAll mat. And 4 ounces of fuel will be placed in your mat to the right of your video screen, which is the standard walk mat. And now back over to the mat on the right, the standard walk mat. We're going to do the same thing. 4 ounces of fuel. The ultimate goal here is to demonstrate the difference in absorption capacity and solidification capacity between the two products. As you can see with the standard walk mat, liquids are already beginning to run out all sides and pool on the metal pan. Now that all the fuel has been placed on both mats, we're going to allow them to sit for a few minutes and come back and check the results.